Israel, in terms of the startup density, it's probably the highest in the world, or close to Silicon Valley. I mean, the Israeli ecosystem is the best in the world, I think. So this is why we put a landing pad here. We knew that we've got a lot to learn from Israel. We also think we've got a lot to offer Israel, but we know we've got a lot to learn from Israel.
Israel's success as a startup nation stems first and foremost from its famous chutzpah. It is the resilience of Israelis, the refusal to take no as an answer, their audacity, coping with obstacles, and their determination to find out solutions to apparently unsolvable problems.
Israel is known as the startup nation. This is a place where you get immersed in technology in a really intense way.
The Israeli government saw the passion and the knowledge and the innovation abilities that are in Israel, and actually wanted to bring Australian entrepreneurs into Israel to embrace it, to understand what's going on in here, to learn what we're doing in order to later on accelerate and help them grow.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Australian Landing Pad in Tel Aviv. We're here in SOSA, the value creation platform, the best place for entrepreneurs to come and get access and knowledge and experience within the local Israeli ecosystem. We will give you access to the three pillars of the industry: the investors, the community, and the multinationals. If you're a startup, look at the Israeli investor scene. You have every investor you can dream of, from angel investors to corporate investors, multinationals, internationals. You will get to pitch to these investors, and these investors are going to meet you and share their knowledge, share their experience, give you feedback, might help you and connect you to other people around the world who can help you actually grow your startup and scale your startup to become a global success. The community DNA in the Israeli ecosystem is really, really unique. Everyone is so open and accessible. We live in a very, very small country. It's the size of New Jersey. There are only 8 million people.
Israel hosts a vibrant community of experienced professionals who can serve as a key resource for startups keen on cooperating with others and establishing new and successful joint ventures.
What we love most is the vitality and the energy. It's a huge adrenaline high whenever you're in Israel.
It's a lot more fast-paced. You get a meeting, you attend that meeting, and then straight after it's actioned. You don't have to wait a week. And it's also a lot easier to get those meetings because there's a 6 degree of separation, which is even closer. Everyone knows everyone, so you get to the top people within a corporation quite easily.
And because everyone's so close together, there's a real connectedness that's pretty unique.
Done a great job getting industry experts and leaders from VCs and different skill sets like presenting and trendologists to talk to us and help us think about our startups in new ways.
Entrepreneurs are willing to meet, they're willing to talk, they're willing to share their experience, share their knowledge, and tell you about their startup life cycle, about their failures, about their success stories. Everyone is in Israel looking for the next big thing, and you might be the next big thing. In Israel, we have about 350 multinational corporations. They're not here in the regular corporate hat. They're not here just to do sales. They're very focused on what will be the next big thing.
No matter who you speak to in any industry sector, everyone is united around this common goal, actually to create, export and collaborate. And I think the power of people being aligned from that perspective in terms of vision and action is really inspiring.
So we've got some multinationals that are based in Israel signing on as design partners, so they're integrating our product and they're going to be basically looking at our product and seeing how it works. So that was a large goal for us.
Israel is the best place to actually learn how to work on your product, how to develop your product, how to develop your business model, and to learn how to grow to become a very successful global startup.
It was a major government initiative to try and help inject some of the energy and enthusiasm from Israel's startup community into Australia. We've seen on top of that the level of Australian business traffic that's coming to Israel to learn or access something from the startup scene, and the level of Israeli startup interest in Australia as a market, as a source of ideas, as a source of investors. That's really gone through the roof. So I think the last year in particular we've seen huge growth in this relationship.
Israel should see Australia as an amazing gate for Asia, and I therefore encourage many Israelis to use Australia as a launching pad for its ability of working and cooperating and investing in Asia, because Australia has a lot to offer Israel in terms of experience and knowledge.